We're curious about escaping the ordinary and discovering the oasis that is Palm Desert, California. Nestled amidst the majestic Santa Rosa Mountains, this desert paradise offers a captivating blend of relaxation, recreation, and rejuvenation. But Palm Desert's story goes beyond stunning scenery. Once a vast desert stretch, it was the playground of the Cahuilla people for millennia. Traces of their rich culture and resilience can still be found in the surrounding areas. Fast forward to the mid-20th century and visionary developers transformed this arid landscape. Palm Desert blossomed into a haven for those seeking a desert escape. Imagine Hollywood stars like Bob Hope and Lucille Ball basking in the sunshine at the Shadow Mountain Club, one of the area's first luxury resorts. Do us a favor if you like this type of video, hit that subscribe button. Today, Palm Desert continues to evolve. World-class resorts pamper you with every amenity imaginable. Championship golf courses challenge even the most seasoned players. Upscale shopping on El Paseo, nicknamed Rodeo Drive of the Desert, beckons fashionistas. But Palm Desert isn't just about indulgence. Explore the otherworldly beauty of the Joshua Tree National Park, a hiker's paradise. Immerse yourself in the rich artistic tapestry at the Palm Desert International Film Festival or the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival. Whether you crave a luxurious escape, an active adventure, or a cultural immersion, Palm Desert delivers. Come experience the serenity of the desert sunsets, the thrill of a desert jeep tour, or the invigorating challenge of a hike through pristine canyons. Palm Desert, where history whispers in the wind, luxury meets adventure, and memories are made under the endless desert sky.